This is the city, you know. Yeah, so over here is the drop-off point of no return. Look down there. You see on top of the building?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Got the river down there, man.
That's a
Yeah, this is the bridge that we're going through.
Hold on, get you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the river down there.
Yeah. Anybody who don't know Gallatin, Manhattan?
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
This is it. This is it.
Taxi.
Yeah, when I see this river the first time, I said, man, shit, this is like the sea.
It's like
Crazy, man.
Over there.
Yeah, man.
Running this way.
I'm telling you, boy, it's a good experience to in foreign. Yeah, you know, it's crazy down there. Yeah, you can